First up, the fundamental outlook. Three major events are set to shape the market sentiment. On the 17th of October, the Monetary Policy Meeting minutes will reveal the RBA's take on Australia's economic trajectory and potential interest rate adjustments. A day later, Governor Bullock's speech could provide clarity on the RBA's policy direction. And on the 19th, the employment change and unemployment rate data will provide insights into the health of Australia's labour market. Now, let's talk technicals. The monthly chart is forming a symmetrical triangle consolidation. This began back in June with a significant bullish candle, and the price has been oscillating within this pattern since. Here's a snapshot of the highs and lows for the past few months. Notably, October still has 12 trading days left, so this pattern may still evolve. On the weekly time frame, we're seeing two patterns. A short-term ascending channel has been broken, with the price having peaked at 96.9. However, there's also a midterm symmetrical triangle forming. The 93 level seems to be the linchpin here. It played a pivotal role back in February and has been retested multiple times. The recent price action suggests a potential double top, hinting at a move towards testing the 93 support again. Now, diving into the daily chart, there's a bearish flag formation. Based on this, I've initiated a short trade with a target at 92, anticipating a break below the 94.5 key level. To summarize, the Audjpy pair is at a crucial juncture. Both fundamental events and technical patterns suggest that the 93 and 93.5 levels will be critical to watch. Whether you're bullish or bearish, these levels could offer significant trading opportunities. That's it for this week's analysis. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, happy trading!